Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to fix high ping issues or packet loss on your PC. Follow along step by step. Step 1. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on the time. Now click Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also turn on Set Time Zone Automatically. Then click Sync Now. Once it's done, close this window. Step 2. Right-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon in the taskbar. Choose Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Proxy. Then click Setup under Manual Proxy Setup. Turn off the Use a Proxy Server option if it's on. Then click Save. Step 3. Let's run a few commands to refresh your network settings. Go to the search bar at the bottom. Type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now, one by one, type or paste these commands. ipconfig release. ipconfig to flushtons. ipconfig renew. netint IP reset. netch winsock reset. Press Enter after each one. When you're finished, close Command Prompt. Then restart your computer. Step 4. If that didn't work, try resetting your network settings. Right-click the network icon again. Go to Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Then choose Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Then confirm by clicking Yes. Your computer will restart. Step 5. Still not working? Let's change your DNS server. Search for Control Panel and open it. Click Network and Internet. Then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your current network. Click Properties. Scroll and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP type IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Type this. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Then close all windows and restart your PC again. That's it. Your connection should be working properly now. Thanks for watching.